This is how you submit your ILE insurance claim in UAE online. Once you have lost your employment, claiming for your ILE insurance money is very easy. So guys, by the end of this video, you'll be able to know who is eligible for an ILE claim and how much will be your payout for this ILE insurance scheme. To begin the process, once you have been terminated, log in into the ILE website. As you can see on the screen, here on the second section, which is involuntary loss of employment, simply click on the subscribe here button, wait for a few seconds. On the next page, tap on submit your claim at the bottom to start entering your information. Enter your UID or your Emirates ID number. Again, enter your current mobile number in this section below. Also enter your date of birth and then tap on the request OTP button. Enter this OTP that will be sent to your number to verify and then submit. That is it, guys. You'll be logged in into your ILE account and you'll be able to see if you are eligible for an ILE claim. If you have an active policy, as you can see here on the screen, it means that you are eligible and you can submit your ILE claim today and also receive your money in your account. So, to start the process of your ILE insurance claim, simply tap here on the menu button, which is located at the top right corner. It is these three lines here near your profile icon. Navigate the menu and tap on this drop-down button at the claim section. Two new sections will be opened: the claim submission and my claim section. Simply tap on the claim submission button. A new page will be opened, your claim notification page, indicating your certificate of insurance details like your name, your payment option, the duration of your policy, and the covered period. That is the year that you paid and the year that your policy will expire. So down here below, you'll be required to enter your mobile number. Also enter your email ID. Then check this box to agree that your mobile number and your email are correct. So guys, review this information and once you're satisfied, tap on the proceed your claim process button. Read this pop-up message carefully to get more information about your eligibility. Tap on the OK button, scroll a little bit down, enter your reason of unemployment, and also enter your last working date. For some of you guys, this information might be entered manually, but if you're not registered with the MORE or FNAR, your last working date and the reason of unemployment might be N/A. So if you have not applicable or N/A, you shouldn't worry. Go ahead and confirm that the above cancellation reason and last working date are correct by tapping on the yes button. To finalize and submit our ILE claim, scroll a little bit down and then select your preferred payment method. As you can see on the screen, you can receive your ILE payout through a bank or even any money exchange house. So, for those of you guys who don't have a bank account, you can use a money exchange. But for the sake of this video, let me select bank. And by the way, if you want to open a zero balance bank account in UAE, I'll leave the video link somewhere on the screen. So, once you select bank, select the checkbox, enter your bank name, and again, enter your IBAN number here in this box below. Guys, also enter your account number and your account holder name. This information is very crucial and make sure it's correct, because once your ILE insurance claim is submitted and approved, you will receive your money in the above entered account. So carefully review the information and finally submit your claim by tapping here on the submit claim button. You will shortly receive an email confirming your status. And that is it, guys. That's how you apply for loss of employment compensation in UAE online. Do you want to check if you have a fine on your ILE insurance? The video up next will guide you.